for sending me and my brother a new gaming desk.
When you hold me, you kiss me softly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain.
Sometimes you love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time.
I got a game room for my little brother, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get him right, you feel me? Real men gotta set it up by yourself.
Cool down, simmer, cool now, easy. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, easy. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love.
Hey y'all, I want to shout out for sending my brother new gaming software. So yeah, at the end of the day, we got this here, and I have to set it up by myself personally, but that's what it's going to be. So I want y'all to sit here and check this out while we set this system up. We got the PlayStation 5 booming, so we want to see how this is going to be on the new software. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, guys. So if you're new here, please hit the like button. Please subscribe on your way in. As you guys saw in the beginning, my son put the desk together for me. And before we get into this video, I would like to give a shout out to the company that messaged us to do a collaboration with Furologee. Shout out to Furologee. They had contacted us to do a collaboration with them. It is a gaming desk. So my son, shout out to my son, Kamo, he put this together for me. I appreciate him because he knows I don't like putting things together, okay? So I'm gonna get into this review. I'm gonna give you guys my God honest opinion on this gaming desk. Let me get a sip real quick. So I'm gonna show you everything about this gaming. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. I'm gonna show you guys all the details, what it does, and all that great stuff. I don't play games. My boys play all the PlayStations and they got the Xboxes. They're into gaming. I'm not into gaming. So of course, this will probably go in their room because they enjoy gaming. I'm not a gaming person, but my boys are into gaming. So enough of that. Let's get into the details of this gaming desk. All right. Okay, so I had to bring the camera up closer so you guys can see everything in details. Okay, so of course it comes with a remote control. It has some settings on this remote control. It also has Wi-Fi built on the remote control. So if you want to link this up to your cell phone or any other device in your home, you can do that. Okay, so it does have, my son had to, this was separate, so this all came out. So he had to drill this part in here. This is a socket, and I do like it because it has some USB compartments here. So just in case you want to connect your phone, if you want to connect your little fan, whatever appliance you want to connect, you can just connect it into this little dashboard. It also has the electrical sockets here. It has 3 here. So if you want to plug up something, you can. I like that. I think that is really cool, okay? It does have this also where you can plug up your phone if you want to charge. You have 2 charging ports here, which is really great. So I'm going to show you guys the rest of the settings on this gaming desk. Okay, so it does have like an LED light, which I thought was really cute. So I'm going to plug it up. I'm going to push these buttons on the remote. Okay, so I like it because it has these lights. Okay, so I'm going to change the different setting modes here. You can make it in different speeds. That is the color. If you want like a red color, I'm going to switch it to green. If you're like a green girl, you can switch it to green. It has, I'm going to try the blue. This is like the blue color. This is the yellow. This is another color, like a, look like another blue. And then if you're a pink girl like me and Faith, that's closest to pink, okay? And then it have like a speed It has the speeds here. If you want to change these speeds up, you can. It has a little demo. So I'm gonna just try to switch up the speeds here. So if you want to just click it to white, this is just a white color. So if you pick all the colors, this is what your desk would look like, honey. It looked like Christmas, baby. So comment below if you into all these colors. If you want to just settle on one color, if you're just a one color person like me, nice and simple, you just want that one a clear white. This is more like me. Comment below if you just a plain person, just want white, or you can do the yellow, just keep it still, and just play around with all these colors. I think this is really cool. So far, I'm gonna give this, I'm gonna give the light department a 10, because I do love lights. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the other items on the desk. I do like that it comes with these drawers. You could put all of your little knickknacks in here. I do like if you're more like an office person and you need to work from home, you can put all your work stuff. So this is basically not just a gaming desk. You can use this as an office desk too. So it does have another drawer here, and these were the instructions. That was your speaker could go here, and then over here you can add on something else if you like. I'm just moving this up. You have all this room, and like I said, the size is a 61-inch, which is really a big size for a desk. So let me just move this back so you guys can see how wide it is. It's really a wide, nice size desk. And then over here, you also have space here. You also have these two towers here, just in case you want to add something here, anything you can put there. And then on the last one, you do have room there as well. So this is really a large area to work with. It's a lot of workspace, and like I said, they said this is for gaming, but what I'm thinking, you can pretty much use this for whatever you want to use it for. But you have a lot of space here. It's a really, really nice size desk. All right, so far, I'm loving this. My son said the setup was easy, it wasn't hard. He did go by the instructions and manual. I do love the lights. I love that it has a remote control. I love that you can also set this up on your phone. It has a Wi-Fi, wireless here, and it's just really cute. So far, I'm loving it. I love the space, 61 inches. I love the colors. The shipping was pretty good. I love that it has a socket compartment here where you can plug whatever you want here, your monitor, your gaming system, and it just have a lot of space. I will have that link in the description just in case you would like to go ahead and get you one. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Would y'all get one of these? Would y'all order this? Comment and let me know if you guys will love this as well. So on that note, I'm going to see you guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I will be going live pretty much after 5. I go live every maybe 3 to 2 days a week. I do videos, long form videos. I do short videos. We kind of do it all. Follow us on all our social media links. We will have all the links in the description. And shout out to Furologee. Thank you so much for collaborating with us. It was amazing. We appreciate you so much for reaching out to us. We do love this gaming desk. Let us know what y'all think in the comments. On that note, we'll see you guys in the next one. Smooches, peace and blessings.